Okay, now that we have our patch glued down and trimmed, we want to sand it just a little bit. Now, if your table is already finished, or whatever piece of furniture you're doing on it, you'll need to know what kind of finish it is. I'm going to assume that it has a lacquer finish, which most furniture does. So you want to trim and sand just around the very edge of the patch and avoid going out into this part where the finish is already installed. Just a little bit. Take a rag and wipe the dust out. We'll do a little bit down here too. That looks pretty good for our purposes today. Like I said before, normally a patch like this would be done at a restoration shop, but this is just an overview of how to do it in case you want to try it yourself. So now we have the patch trimmed.